habit. I'm just gonna assume that by now you guys have seen my room tour. So yeah, hi guys, and welcome to a realistic morning routine as a full-time YouTuber slash content creator living in Lagos, Nigeria. Wow, that's a mouthful. Definitely have to make that shorter in the title. But yeah, I normally do this type of videos like silently and all that, but I was like, nah, let me just make it a mini vlog of how my mornings are realistically. I woke up rather late today. It's about 8:30, 8:35 right now. That's late. But yeah. So right now what I'll usually do is I'm just gonna open the windows and I'm just gonna work out. Now I'm really not feeling it, so I'm gonna do a shorter video. And yeah, so I'll pick you guys up when I'm about to do that.
Don't let the street lights lead you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do.
Hi guys, hope you guys the noise isn't too loud. So I usually get asked questions on, you know, what workouts do I do, and I do Chloe Ting. She's a very popular trainer, especially during the whole Q Wood period. So I told you guys earlier, like, I'm not really trying. I already naturally have abs like that. Honestly, I don't have problems in my arms. So what I usually just go for are her hourglass programs. So that's like booty, waist, hips. Sometimes I splash in. Why is it so dark? Sometimes I add in like ab workout, but not all the time. So I'm really not feeling it right now, so I'm going to do, she has like 16 minutes 10, I'm not feeling it right now, so I'm going to do like the shortest one I find. I repeat like 5 videos in every one, so I'm going to do like, yeah, let me show you guys. Ooh, sorry. So as you can see, the red lines, the ones I normally do. So I'm going to do this one now because it's 11 minutes. I don't really do like focus on abs like that. This one is 60 minutes. I don't have the strength right now, and I already woke up a bit late. So yeah, just 11 minutes, and I've done my workout for today. So let's do it. It's Monday. Let's go.
I think you was the one I loved. 7 wonders all in one. All in one. Don't let the street lights lead you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be your player too? I'll follow
Guys, I don't know how, since I recommended that silk milk, I was not able to get it again. It's so bright. I wasn't able to get it again. I now had to now get this one, and it doesn't bang like that one. It's not as sweet. I was so upset.
And another one. I think you were the one I loved. 7 wonders all in one. All in one. Don't let the street lights hit you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. Player too. Take a drag of my cigarette. Breathe me out, breathe you in, yeah. Take a bite of my burger, babe. Save the last bite for you, for you. Ooh. Don't let the street lights hit you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. Player too.
Okay guys, so since it's quite realistic, I'm feeling very like slow today, and I hate it because it's Monday. I had a very long weekend. I had my class the last weekend. I had to do a lot of things. I had to pack for some things, so I didn't get around like sorting it out and tidying up my room. I like to make everywhere tidy before I start working. I need to edit 2 videos today, so today is not a filming day. Today's an editing day. Tomorrow is a filming day. And I also want to wash my bathroom. I've been having issues. If you have like a shower like glass, you get it, you know, those hard water stains. I hate it, and I've been trying to figure out how to, even though I wash it, when it dries down I still get the stains. So I watched a TikTok video. Do you see this? Yeah, and this is already washed. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some music and start cleaning up. I usually wear my gym clothes till I'm done, and maybe shave my legs. This protein shake is quite filling, so I don't know if I'm going to make breakfast anymore. I was going to do it for like YouTube, but I'm really quite full. But yeah, let's clean up. had to quickly stop vlogging because I was slower than slow. But yeah, I have tidied up, I've mopped, I've cleaned. Everywhere is squeaky clean. When it's like this, I'm a bit more efficient in my working. I'm relaxed, I'm set. It's quite late, it's like 12 right now. So yeah, that took a while. And the update on the bathroom, I think it worked. I used Harpic, the one for the bowl. I used it 10 times when I put it on the glass, and after that I used a glass cleaner and it actually took it out. And I use tissue to dry it. This paper is good, but I don't have any paper because this paper is really good for like cleaning glasses. I don't use I don't like streaks, so I don't use like cloth or anything. I've tried microfiber cloth, it was still giving me streaks. So tissue is one that I know if I go like 3 times I won't see any streaks on newspaper. But yeah, so far I haven't seen any like the hard water left. So right now I'm just going to pick an outfit and start working. I like to pick like outfits I can go out in, not that serious, but like to make me feel more efficient. So I'm just gonna go for shorts because it's Nigeria and it's hot, and like just like a basic top. That's it really.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so deep?
Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I wore this wig because I was trying to take a cute Insta story. This is not realistic, I'm going to puff it off. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys kind of like my morning routine. It's obviously not always like this. I don't clean up my room every day. I was supposed to do this during the weekend, but my weekend was packed full, so I had to do it today. So I'm just going to edit, and that's literally my morning / afternoon routine, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you're still here, please like, please subscribe, and join the fam.
I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that?